In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete an application in CloudRaptor. Before we begin, keep in mind that deleting an application is permanent and cannot be undone. All files, databases, and configurations will be completely removed from the server. To get started, go to your dashboard and click on Applications from the left sidebar. Now select the application you want to delete. Inside the application dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click on Delete Application. A confirmation dialog will appear showing everything that will be permanently removed. This includes all WordPress files and uploads, the database and site content, domain configurations, SSL certificates, as well as the Docker container and its associated volumes. To proceed, you'll need to type delete in the confirmation field. Once you've entered delete, click the delete button to confirm. CloudRaptor will now permanently remove the application and all associated resources. After deletion, the application will no longer appear in your applications list. The Docker container, database, and all configurations will be completely removed, and this action cannot be reversed. So always make sure you no longer need the application before deleting it. And that's how you delete an application in CloudRaptor. If you're still stuck, contact our dedicated support team for any of your queries, or reach out at support@cloudraptor.io.